We're just approaching 10 o'clock in the morning on a winter storm Wednesday. A lot of notes. Everyone follows 511, the highway conditions in Northern Ontario. As of 8:30, two highway segments are closed. 579 from Cochrane, westbound, both lanes, to Riverside Drive, Kapuskasing, closed due to poor road conditions and bad weather. Additionally, the Highway 655, Texas Gulf Highway from Driftwood down to the railroad track power line that connects to the intersection that brings you up to Kid Creek Mine. That road segment is closed as well as of 8:37 this morning, but 655 is still showing open for the Kid Creek entrance, southbound to Highway 101 Timmins that brings you up to independent grocery store and the new M&M meat shop. So good morning to all. Use caution if you're on the roads today. Most of the highways, according to Ontario 511, are snow covered and the visibility is slowly deteriorating. And I'm going to talk about Kapuskasing in a moment because they are really getting eaten alive by the snowfall right now, as they always are. City Hall from Timmins, this is 1.5 statute miles. Timmins Airport has been reporting 2.5 statute miles since just between 3 and 4 a.m. At 9:08 a.m., this is down to 1.5 statute mile. This is Algonquin Boulevard at 101 West past Pine Street South. The road conditions there are pretty much slushy. From the ground, looking at Gillies Lake, this looks a lot better right now until we get the blowing snow tonight and tomorrow. Toke Street is up here. Lakeshore Road is all the way up over here. You may not be able to see this within 6 to 24 hours from now, but it looks good for the time being. The storm system itself has moved over eastbound. It's now sitting south of Lake Superior. Look at these winding winds. This low pressure system is still deepening and intensifying. In fact, it's deepening so much that the backward spinning winds are taking up more geography, stretching north to Geraldton to as far south as Ohio, east to the thumb of Georgian Bay, and westbound towards, again, the Dakota States where the storm originated. And we are looking at easterly winds, northeasterly winds across northeast Ontario until the storm changes positions, which means the winds will switch around a little bit. The cloud cover looks like a pronounced comet shape or cauliflower, spreading the cloud cover all across Ontario. I want to say 75% of Ontario is being affected by the storm right now. And you can just see this low spinning over Michigan going backwards. We're still predicting it to continue an easterly track, but very slowly. It looks like it's picking up a bit of steam right now. So let's hope the storm wraps up sooner than later. The last that I want to bring to your attention, moderate snow at the Kapuskasing Airport for 4 hours now. 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m. The visibility at the airport has been down to 1/2 statute mile. If it goes down to 1/4 mile, it will be heavy snow, but they always seem to get the brunt of these weather systems. This band of snow right now is moving from south to north, and if you go halfway down to the watershed on Highway 144 and move over to Earlton, who's still reporting freezing rain, by the way, looks like there's a liquid content as soon as you go 144 south, and that continues possibly west towards the Sault Ste. Marie region. That's the mid-morning perspective of our winter storm. We'll invite you to check your local listings, and we have the silent WeatherStar computer with more information. Stay tuned.